Hello beautiful people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we will unbox the new and exclusive Bride to Be beauty box from NYX Beauty. I am not a bride to be, but I glanced at what this beauty box contains and it has very interesting products inside. The Bride to Be beauty box is retailed for £25, but NYX Beauty claims that worth over £105. Inside we have full-size products, travel size products and sample size products. Let's open the box. And first we find the leaflet with a beautiful bride on the cover. Inside of this leaflet we have all the information that we need to know about the products that we have in the beauty box. Okay beautiful people, let's dig in to see the treats. First I took out a travel size product from the brand Grayskull England, softening hand and nail cream with nectarine blossom and grapefruit. A good hand cream is always welcomed. Second, we find a sample size product from one of my favorite brands, Caudalie Venus's Grape Water Gel Moisturizer. I tried a lot of Caudalie products but never tried this cream. I hope I will like it. Here we have 50 ml of a product. Third, we have a minute to go product from By Terry, Hyaluronic Pressed Hydra Powder. This is the setting powder which will set your makeup, and at the same time the hyaluronic acid will help to keep your skin hydrated all day long. Very good reviews has this hyaluronic range from By Terry. Very happy to try it, especially that I am running out of setting powder. Fourth product that we find is a travel size mascara from Bobbi Brown, Smoky Eye Mascara in black. This is a ultra lengthening and volumizing mascara. Let's see the wand. It looks great. Fifth product found is from Illamasqua, Mini Loaded Lip Polish in glaze. If you saw my last empty video, you already know that I empty one. The same size and the same shade. It's a clear lip gloss that looks beautiful on the lips, super shiny. The only thing that I don't like in this lip polish is the scent. It has an unpleasant chemical scent. Sixth product found is a full-size nail polish from the brand Nails Inc. London. 45-second speedy gloss in the shade Flyby at Victoria. Is a beautiful nude pinkish shade. Let's move to the next product from this beauty box. Is a beauty sponge from Real Technique, Miracle Complexion Sponge. I had it in the past and was a very good beauty sponge. Real Technique has great beauty sponges and affordable too. I like them a lot. Here we have a product from Oskia London, Liquid Mask with 10% lactic acid. Is an overnight treatment which will remove dead skin cells and leave a luminous looking healthy glow skin. We get 7 ml of a product. I think that is a sample size. I tried a couple of products from Oskia London and I like them. Hope I will like this liquid mask too. Fingers crossed. Next we have a sample from Estee Lauder. The Smoother Universal Perfecting Primer is a face primer which will leave your skin flawless. I don't know, but it looks like it's empty or it has a tiny amount of a product inside. What do you think? Here we have a perfume sample. We found exactly the same one in another NYX Beauty box. It's from Versace, Dylan Turquoise. It smells lovely and fresh, a beautiful summer perfume, and it has a beautiful packaging. Very pretty. I love it. And the last product that we have inside is from Skinny Tan, Mousse. I don't use fake tan, so I'm not very happy with this product. I'm not saying that it's a bad product. It's a product that doesn't suit me. Okay, beautiful people, and these are all the products that we found in the new Bride to Be beauty box from Next Beauty. I'm happy with what I found. I like the selection of the products, a beautiful gift for a bride to be. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!